Yorubo na news sa'yo. Guys, ito na yung part 12 ng mga vocabulary na sinasort out natin from book to na minimorize ko dati nung ako nag-exam. So, sa lahat ng mga mag-exam at nag-plan pa mag-exam, kung gusto nyo maipasa yung exam or makakuha ng mas malaki na score, dapat i-memorize nyo talaga ito. Memorize lang at least 10 to 20 vocabs every day. Kung hindi naman kaya, pwede 5 to 10 vocabs. Okay na po yun. Bolpopcherio, illegal stay. Purinada, a fire breaks out. Puri Goljuta, to disadvantage. Polquicam, to displeasure. Polquiada, to be unpleasant. Bolpernada, uncomfortable. Bolhapkyukada, to fail an exam. Pongguisago, collapse. Butsida, to stake. Pige, scaffolding. Binilcon, binil straps. Binilhauso, binil greenhouse. Periurul purida, to fertilize. Pisang yulakso, emergency contact list. Bisango, emergency exit. Bisangbil, emergency bill. Visa, visa. Patsida, to excuse oneself from. Palyu durugada, to be pulled into. Pira, to pull out. Popira, to be selected. Sagunul kirukada, to record an incident. Sagwada, to apologize. Sadari, ladder. Saramulpupda, to hire. Saryo, feed. Saryo bihapke, father mixer. Samang, date. Saopja tonruksong sabon, copy of business registration certificate. Saopjang pyungyong sayo, reasons for change of work locations. Saopjang pyungyong sinchungso, application for change of work locations. Combine, combine harvester. Kung, bin. Kungkukso, noodles in cold soybean soup. Pitsukada, pleasan. Kunirinada, to be a serious problem. Higuda, to raise, to grow, to cultivate. Toki, rabbit. Top, so. Tungbal, a fish shop. Tongyok, interpretation. Tongwon Chirulada, to receive outpatient treatment. Changuru Drugada, to be deposited into a bank account. Twizicom, a retirement plan contributions. Twizikada, to retire. Tuktukchada, to kick. Twigira, to deep fry. Tukbiurada, to be special. Tumtome, occasionally. Pa, green onion. Panida, to gouge out. Pasunduida, to be damaged. Paipurinche, pipe wrench. Pazong sangza, seed tray. Papyunitchida, sheep flies off. Patbingso, sheep ice dessert with red bean. Patsok, red bean porridge. Pento, paint. Pinche, pincers. Piuda, to strengthen. Piunchanusida, to be ill.